You've heard the whispers, right? That AI is coming for our jobs? And the classic 9 to 5 is on its last legs. Well, you heard right. A few years back, the World Economic Forum dropped a bombshell prediction that got everyone talking. 85 million jobs displaced by 2025. Now that we're here, the reality is a little more complex. We're seeing tens of thousands of layoffs directly linked to AI, especially in tech. Yet some reports, like one from the WEF's 2025 Future of Jobs report, now project that while 92 million roles could be displaced by 2030, about 170 million new ones will be created. It's chaotic, it's confusing, and it's happening fast. But what if the same tech causing all this upheaval is also the single biggest opportunity you'll ever have to build real wealth and grab your financial freedom? What if you could use AI not just to get by, but to design a life of independence, creativity, and genuine control? In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to leave the rat race behind by making AI your partner, even if you don't have a single technical bone in your body. Let's do this. For generations, the playbook was simple. Go to school, land a good job, climb the corporate ladder, and punch out after 40 years. That playbook is now officially in the shredder. We're living through a technological revolution, and it's not some far-off futuristic event. It's happening right now. Companies are pouring billions into artificial intelligence, not just for fun new gadgets, but to rewire the entire way work gets done. They are actively hunting for tasks to automate, from accounting and data entry all the way to creative and marketing gigs. That creates a ton of uncertainty. But where there's chaos, there's always opportunity. The window to get ahead of this wave is wide open right now, but it won't be for long. The people who decide to partner with AI instead of fighting it are the ones who will own the future. Trying to make sense of all this can feel like drinking from a fire hose. It's a world buzzing with hype, confusing jargon, and a whole lot of noise. Our mission on this channel is simple. We cut through that noise for you. We're not selling get-rich-quick fantasies. We're here to break down these huge shifts and give you a real, actionable game plan for this new economy. We've done the homework on how people are actually using AI to make money today, not in some distant sci-fi future. Our goal is to give you the clarity and the tools to take back control of your financial life in the age of AI. So today, we're breaking it down into 3 clear paths to financial freedom. Whether you want to pocket an extra $1,000 a month or build a 6-figure business that runs on autopilot, one of these is for you. The quickest way to start feeling financially independent is to create new income streams. In the past, that always meant trading more of your precious time for money. With AI, that rule is out the window. AI lets you launch and grow side hustles that were basically impossible for one person to handle before. Here are a few you could literally start this weekend. First up, become an AI-powered content creator. Every single business, from the corner cafe to a global tech company, needs content. They need social media posts, blog articles, email newsletters, and video scripts. You can use AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper to whip up high-quality drafts in minutes instead of hours. Your job isn't to just push a button, it's to be the creative director. You guide the AI, you edit the output, and you make sure it sounds like the brand. You could handle the social media for 3 or 4 local businesses and earn a serious monthly income without it taking over your life. Second, sell digital products you create with AI. This is where real passive income kicks in. Using AI art generators like Midjourney or Leonardo.ai, you can dream up stunning, unique art and sell it on places like Etsy. You don't need to be an artist, you just need an imagination. You can sell digital files or use print-on-demand services to put your designs on t-shirts, mugs and posters without ever having to see or touch a single piece of inventory. You can also use AI to write niche ebooks or create prompt packs for other AI users and sell them on Gumroad. You build it once, and it can sell 1,000 times while you're sleeping. Third, become an AI website builder. It's shocking how many small businesses still have clunky, outdated websites, or no site at all. A few years ago, building a professional site would cost thousands and take weeks. Now, with AI website builders, you can create a beautiful, functional site in a few hours. You can offer this to local businesses for a fraction of what an agency would charge, delivering huge value for them and building a super profitable business for you. These side hustles are game changers because they don't need a huge upfront investment or a tech background. They just need you to learn how to pull the right levers on the right AI tools. Okay, so maybe starting a business from scratch isn't your thing. Maybe you actually like your job, but you're getting a little nervous about how secure it is. This path is for you. The goal here isn't to ditch your job, but to become so valuable inside it that you're impossible to replace. The secret is to stop looking at AI as your competition and start seeing it as your new secret weapon. Think of it this way. AI is fantastic at the boring, repetitive stuff. Let it have it. This frees you up to double down on what humans are best at: big picture strategy, creative ideas, and solving messy problems. The people who will thrive are the ones who learn to supercharge their skills with AI. First, you've got to master the AI tools in your own backyard. If you're in marketing, learn AI for data analysis. If you're a developer, use it to write and debug code. If you're a manager, use AI project management tools to make your team ridiculously efficient. Become the go-to AI person on your team, and your value skyrockets overnight. Second, focus on developing your human skills. As AI takes over technical tasks, things like communication, leadership, and emotional intelligence become your superpowers. The future of work is about collaboration, not just between people, but between people and machines. If you can be the person who bridges that gap, you become essential. Finally, keep an eye out for the brand new jobs that AI is creating. For every job AI changes, new ones are born. We're already seeing a huge demand for roles like AI integration specialists, prompt engineers, and AI ethics consultants, jobs that didn't even exist a few years ago. By skilling up now, you can leapfrog into these higher-paying, more secure roles. Pathway 1 was about making extra income. Pathway 2 was about protecting your career. This third pathway is about building true freedom. This is where you combine the side hustle idea with full-blown AI automation to create a business that pretty much runs itself. This isn't just about using AI to do a task, it's about using AI to be the business. Picture this. You use the AI side hustle model to create a faceless YouTube channel about something you love. AI can generate the scripts. AI can create a surprisingly human-sounding voiceover with tools like 11 Labs. AI can even help generate the video clips. Over time, that content builds an audience. Then you automate the marketing. You set up AI systems to chop up your main videos into social media posts and schedule them automatically. You build an AI chatbot for your website that answers questions and collects emails 24/7. Finally, you monetize with those digital products we talked about. Your automated content acts as a funnel, sending new customers to your AI-generated ebooks or courses. The sales, the product delivery, the customer service, a huge chunk of it is handled by automated systems. This is the end game. You stop being the person who does all the work and become the person who designs the machine that works for you. Your job becomes strategic, you steer the ship, spot new opportunities, and provide the vision. The AI handles the grunt work. This is how you finally separate your time from your income, which is the real definition of financial freedom. It takes more effort to set up, but the reward is a scalable, automated asset that makes money around the clock. All right, let's land the plane. The world of work is changing faster than ever, and yes, that can be terrifying. But as you've seen today, this massive shift isn't a death sentence, it's a doorway. AI is not your replacement, it's your leverage. You have 3 clear paths in front of you. You can start small with an AI-powered side hustle, bringing in some extra cash and building your confidence. You can future-proof your career and become an indispensable AI-powered pro. Or you can go all in and build an automated business that truly works for you. The choice is yours. The only thing you can't afford to do is nothing. The old rules are gone and they're not coming back. The tools to build the life you want are more powerful and accessible than at any point in history. The opportunity is here. The only question is, are you? If you got any value out of this and you're ready to take the next step, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It's the perfect time to kick off your journey. Thanks for watching. Now go build your future.